Hi students, my name is A.S. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, SPVPs, SB Patil College of Engineering, Taluka Indapur, District Pune. This college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, District Pune. My subject is Engineering Mathematics 2, Unit Multiple Integral. This is my second lecture on topic Double Integration Type 2. Evaluation of double integration without limits. Lecture number 2, topic double integration, subtopic type 2, evaluation of double integration without limits. Working rules of this type: first, draw all the given curves. Second, find point of intersection. Third, find and set required region R. Fourth, find limits by using following two strips. First is vertical strip. This is used for finding limits of y in terms of x. For integration with respect to y, draw vertical strip that is parallel to y-axis, then find limits of y in terms of x and find limits of x by moving strip horizontally in region R. If I is double integration, R is region, f of x comma y dx dy, x values x equal to a to x equal to b, a and b are constant, means region is in between two lines, x equal to a line, x equal to b line. Y is f1x and y is f2x. f1x and f2x are any two functions of x or any two curves. Then I is outermost integration is limits a to b and innermost integration is limits f1x to f2x, f of xy dy dx. In vertical strip, first integrate with respect to y. Region is this blue is one curve and this is another curve. This x equal to a line and this is x equal to b line. Region is in between x equal to a to x equal to b. This is one curve and this is another curve. Lower end y equal to f1x, upper end y equal to f2x. Lower end gives lower limit of y, upper end gives upper limit of y. Now horizontal strip. For integration with respect to x, draw horizontal strip parallel to x-axis and find limits of x in terms of y and find limits of y moving strip vertically in region R. Same here, I is the double integration f of x comma y dx dy, y equal to c and y equal to d, x equal to f1y, x equal to f2y. Then first integrate with respect to x with limit f1y to f2y and then integrate with respect to y, c and c to d limits. Region is this red is one curve and this red part is another curve and this y equal to d line and this y equal to c line. Region is in this bounded by this curve and two straight lines parallel to x-axis. This is horizontal strip. Left hand gives lower limit of x, right hand gives upper limit of x. Left hand gives lower limit of x, right hand gives upper limit of x. Example 1, evaluate double integration y dx dy over the area bounded by y equal to x square, that is parabola, and x plus y equal to 2 is a straight line. Answer is, draw parabola y equal to x square first and straight line x plus y equal to 2 using point 2, 0 and 0, 2. 2, 0 and 0, 2. How comes this point? In this equation, put x equal to 0, then y is 2. So point is 0, 2. Put y is 0, then x is 2, then point is 2, 0. Draw these 2 points and join these 2 points, then gives line x plus y equal to 2. Find intersection points A and B by solving given equations, means Solve these two equations, then we get point of intersection. Put y equal to x square in this equation, put y equal to x square in x plus y equal to 2. So x plus x square equal to 2. This implies x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X values are minus 2 and plus 1. X values are two values, minus 2 and plus 1. Plus 1 is in first quadrant, minus 2 is in second quadrant. Find y at these 2 points. Find at these two values. At x equal to minus 2 means put x is minus 2 in y equal to x square, then y gives 4. So point is minus 2, 4. Put x is 1 in y equal to x square, then y gives 1. So point is 1, 1. So these are the point of intersection. Draw curve. So x plus y equal to this straight line means this point is 2, 0. This point is 0, 2. After joining these 2 points, this straight line, and this parabola y equal to x square. Take region. This is region from A point to B point, and from x axis to this line x plus y equal to 2. In this region, draw vertical strip. You can draw horizontal also. Here I draw vertical strip. In vertical strip, lower end on this curve y equal to x square. So y equal to x square is the lower limit of y. Upper end on straight line, equation of straight line is x plus y equal to 2. So upper end at this point or on this line. So find y from this line. Y is 2 minus x. So 2 minus x is upper limit, and this strip we can move vertically from point A to point B. So at point A, x is minus 2, and at point B, x is plus 1. So x limits are minus 2 to plus 1. From figure, limits are x is minus 2 to x equal to 1, and y equal to x square to y equal to 2 minus x. So given integration is minus 2 minus 1 are constant limits, take outside limits, and x square and 2 minus x are inner limits. So x square to 2 minus x y dy dx. Integrate this integration first with respect to y. So y integration is y square by 2, and limits 2 minus x square. Put 2 minus x at x square. So y square by 2 outside, that is 1 by 2 outside. So y square means 2 minus x square, and at x square square. Solve this 2 minus x square, a minus b square, using a minus b bracket square and minus x raised to 4 as it is. Integrate with respect to x. 4 constant, so integration is 4x. 4x, x integration is x square by 2, x square integration x cube by 3, x raised to 4 integration x raised to 5 by 5. So this is integration with respect to x. Put upper limit 1, x equal to 1. Here x equal to 1. Put x equal to minus 2 in this square bracket. So 4 into minus 2 square by 2 minus 2 cube by 3 minus 2 raised to 5 by 5. Solve this by using calc. Final answer is 36 by 5. Now next example. Evaluate double integration dx dy divided by x raised to 4 plus y square over y greater than equal to x square and x greater than equal to 1. Consider this is parabola and this is straight line. Draw region R by given equations and find limits by using strip. Draw y greater than equal to x square, that is y equal to x square, and x greater than equal to 1 is x equal to 1. So this is parabola y equal to x square, this straight line x equal to 1, this x equal to 1, but given that x greater than or equal to 1 means right part of this straight line, this part, and y greater than equal to x square means this shaded region. I used here vertical strip. At lower end y is x square, y is x square, lower end is on curve, and equation of curve is y equal to x square. So y is x square is the lower limit of y. Upper end is y equal to infinity, no upper limit, upper point, so y is infinity. No limit for this curve y equal to x square, and no limit for x equal to one line, so y is infinite, that is y equal to infinity. Our x limits are from this line to this curve, move strip anywhere from this line to this curve. So from this line, that is x equal to 1 is lower limit, and this curve also no limit for this curve, so x is also infinity. So x limits are 1 to infinity, and y limits x square to infinity. So this integration is double integration 1 to infinity x square to infinity dx divided by x raised to 4 plus y raised to 2. Find point of intersection by solving given equations. Put x equal to 1 in y equal to x square, so y equal to 1 square. 1 point is 1 1. From figure, limits are x equal to 1 to x equal to infinity, and y equal to x square to y equal to infinity. Integration x square to infinity 1 upon x raised to 4 y square dy. First integrate with respect to y. Outer integration limits 1 to infinity as it is, dx as it is. With respect to y integration, x is constant, so adjustment x raised to 4 is x square square. X is a constant, so x square constant, x raised to 4 constant. Adjustment of x raised to 4 is x square bracket square, because we know one result, 1 upon a square plus x square is result is tan inverse 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So here x constant, so 1 upon x square, that is 1 upon a, and tan inverse y upon x square, that is y upon a. Result for y, 1 upon a square tan inverse y upon a is x square. Limit of y x square to infinity. Put y equal to infinity, y equal to x square. So here tan inverse infinity upon x square, that is infinity, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, and here tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Take 1 by x square common, so pi by 2 minus pi by 4, and this is constant, take outside. From integration 1 to infinity integration as it is, function 1 upon x square as it is, dx as it is. So 1 upon x square integration is minus 1 upon x, and this pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4. At infinity, 1 upon infinity is 0. Upper limit is infinity, lower limit is 1. So minus as it is 1 upon infinity. At lower limit, minus minus plus 1 upon 1, 1. Pi by 4 into 0 plus 1, that is pi by 4. Next example, evaluate double integration xy into square root of 1 minus x minus y dx dy over the area of triangle defined by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1. Let I equal to given integration, draw region R by given equations, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to 1. X plus y, x equal to 0 is y axis, y equal to 0 means x axis, and x plus y equal to 1. This b 0 1. If here x is 0, then y is 1, so point is 0 1, that is b point, and y is 0, then x is 1, so point is 1 0, so this point C is 1 0. So region is a triangle A B C. I used here vertical strip. This lower end is on x axis, so y is 0. Upper end on straight line x plus y equal to 1, and from this straight line find y. Y is 1 minus x, so 1 minus x is upper limit. This strip moves from y axis to this point, y-axis to this point. On y-axis x is 0, here c x is 1, so x limits 0 to 1, y limits 0 to 1 minus x. Point of intersection A, origin 0 0, B 0 1, C 1 0. Using vertical strip, limits are x equal to 0 to x equal to 1, y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x. I is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, xy root 1 minus xy as it is. First integrate with respect to y, keep x and 1 minus x constant, so x dx separate, and integration 0 to 1 x dx, 0 to 1 minus xy into 1 minus xy square root, that is power 1 by 2. Replace 1 minus x by m in innermost integral. So this upper limit 1 minus x is m, in bracket 1 minus x is m minus y as it is. So 0 to m y into m minus y raised to 1 by 2 dy. Here use beta function. Before beta function, put y equal to mt, then dy is m dt, and limits of t are at y equal to 0, t is 0. Put y equal to m here, then t is 1, so t limits are 0 to 1. So innermost integration 0 to 1 mt, mt is y, and m minus mt, that is m minus y, y is mt, power 1 by 2 as it is. M dt means dy as it is. So solve. After solving, outside integration 0 to 1 x dx as it is. This 0 to 1 m into this m square, t as it is. M minus mt, take m common, then 1 minus t, bracket power as it is, dt. X dx integration as it is, m square, and this m raised to 1 by 2. M raised to 1 by 2, this m square is m raised to 5 by 2. This 1 minus t raised to 1 by 2 as it is. This t as it is. So t into 1 minus t raised to 1 by 2. This is in the form of beta function. Beta function, and beta function definition is 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x raised to n, then beta of this m plus 1, this n plus 1, means x raised to m, here m plus 1, 1 minus x raised to n, here n plus 1. So here this result for x used for t, t power is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus t power is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. This x dx and m is 1 minus x power 5 by 2. This beta 2 comma 3 by 2 constant, and integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x 5 raised to 5 by 2 dx as it is. Again use beta function for x into 1 minus x raised to 5 by 2, x power 1, so beta 2, 1 minus x raised to 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So this beta 2 comma 3 by 2 and beta 2 comma 7 by 2. Use relation in beta and gamma function. Beta mn is gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Here 2 and 3 by 2, so gamma of 3 by 2 divided by gamma 2 plus 3 by 2, and same for this gamma 2, gamma 7 by 2, gamma 2 plus 7 by 2. But result is gamma 2 is 1, this 1 is 1, and gamma 3 by 2 as it is, gamma 7 by 2 as it is, and this 2 plus 3 by 2 is a 7 by 2, and 2 plus 7 by 2 is 11 by 2. 7 by 2 cancel, and again use result. 11 by 2 is 9 by 2 into 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 root pi, and 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into root pi. Gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into root pi. So this gamma 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into root pi, and gamma 11 by 2 is this 9 to root pi. 1 by 2 root pi cancel, and after solving this is answer 16 by 945. Thank you.